test drive. I'll double check our alignment, double check our ride, double check our brakes. And if all goes well, Scotty's gonna give her a little bathy bath.
Clean her up. And make her good as gold.
Yep.
All right, this one's gonna be a short one because we're gonna transfer. Bobby will do filming in the car. And with Bobby's magic on movie making, I say that lightly, it'll make it look like it's one seamless video. And on that note,
right. So I got to say, the brakes feel better than they ever have in this car. And I've been driving this car since John got it with less than 2,000 miles on it. Ooh, God, rides so much better too. Nice and smooth. It's amazing what redoing the front suspension will do. Maybe in the future, John would want to do the rear suspension as well with the nice bushings, but it doesn't need it right now, so wouldn't worry about it too much. But holy moly, boys and girls. That is nice. That is nice. Alignment perfect. Brakes are insanely better than they were. I'm ecstatic. What a smooth ride. Brakes feel incredible. I love it. Like I said, it's never driven this nice. And I've been driving this car since John got it in 2021. So that's saying something. Man. Beautiful. It's much more confident. The steering and the suspension, it's much more responsive. Brakes, man, you touch them and they're ready. I love it. All right, so I'm gonna take this back to the shop, hand it over to Scotty, and he's gonna give the car a wonderful bath and detail, and John can come get her. God, it drives so nice.